that there is a shortage of 1 million homes in Australia. 1 million homes, which they need to build like yesterday. That's the sense of urgency. And they want to invite all of you. They are willing to help with financial support, to help you develop your businesses in Australia. They're willing to allow you to take all the different technical expertise, whether it's masons, electricians, plumbers, whatever professions or skills are required to build those million homes. They're willing to give full access to Australia from Indian experts, Indian skilled labor. They're also willing to train them in the initial period so that they get certified for Australian standards. And if we miss the bus, if we don't catch this opportunity, we will only have ourselves to blame. Somebody can do the maths, particularly looking at Australian costs of construction and costs of real estate. Just do the math on 1 million homes and you'll realize the mind-boggling opportunity. You could have hundreds of thousands of Indian labor go to Australia, lakhs of people who can go there, help to construct good quality modern buildings. Our architects, our professionals, engineers, structural engineers, all of them will get new opportunities. The financial sector will get a boost. And I think it will be a game changer for the entire buildcon sector.